So for the first day in a long time, we actually have a nice day, and we're gonna wash the cars today because we've needed to wash them for a long time. Fitment Industries is like a wheel company. They do a whole bunch of stuff. Their information's down below. But they actually recently started selling car care products. They sent me some out, I mean, when they launched, but we haven't been able to wash the cars in a while. So today we're gonna be testing out their car care products. So they sent me 3 things. They sent me a car wash, which we're gonna test out, which is good because I actually recently ran out of car wash. Wheel wax, which can be used as like a, I feel like it can be used as like a quick detail, but it's mainly meant to be like sprayed on after you clean your car, wax it, gives it a nice shine. And a tire shine. It says matte tire shine finish, which is kind of weird because I usually use like a shiny tire shine because I feel like that's the point of tire shine, but I don't know, I feel like it might be nice. And while we're sitting here being idiots trying to figure this out, Courtney actually found that they sell this as a kit, the painted wheel care kit for 50 bucks in US. Don't start yet, you didn't wash the car, you nut. We're gonna test it out, see how it goes.
Teamwork. I'll pass it to you, pass it back.
Okay. It's like playing air hockey, except you sucked. Oh, you want to wash the whole roof like that?
Yeah.
Let's just do the windshield that way because we already screwed up on the roof. It goes down though. So, get ready. Don't get too close because they might see that we did a horrible tint job here. So the soap's actually pretty good. One thing we noticed though is that we're used to using, well, I'm used to using like a Simonized soap. Don't, you bugger. Oh, I'm gonna kick your ass in a second. Or however you say it, I know someone's probably gonna tell me it's wrong.
I think it's called like Simmons or something.
I think it's called Simmons or Sim. One thing we noticed is that this soap takes more soap to sud before like the soaps we're used to. So you have to use a little bit more of this to get the same suds going on your car. It's not like a ridiculous amount more. I just noticed that we had to go back and add a little bit of extra, whereas usually I just put in like a little bit, add some water, and we're good to go. Other than that though, it's doing a good job. On the topic of like the suds of the soap though, it actually goes pretty well in the sense of like I haven't put more on the wheels, and every time I hit it, it just like re-suds. I'm not sure what I'm trying to say, but I think you guys will understand. It like foams all by itself, which is good. I'm gonna whoop your ass. I hate when people cut their grass in my videos. Nothing drives me more irate.
Irate?
Irate. Do you think it's a good idea if I have like a couple things I want to do to my car, like mods, and I'm thinking of just making like a list and having people vote on like what they want to see most? On the list, I'd put like feasible things that I could possibly do. Like, should I do bags? Get a wide body? You know what I mean? Like just simple things like that. I think I'm gonna do it. I just have to decide what I can afford and what I can't. Oh, look at all the suds! If you don't put this away wet, it dries out and cracks. It's a Walmart version of a ShamWow.
Merson, what do you have over there, buddy?
Just go with a towel. He's got a mink rug. The next thing they sent was the wheel wax, which is like, I feel like this is what I would use for like a quick detail. Like if I'm just like going to the car show, I want to put it on. Basically, you just spray it and just wipe it in like you would with wax. So it's getting kind of dark, but you can still tell like when you put the wheel wax on, like it gives it like a nice finish. It's hard to obviously see what wax does on a camera, but like for instance, we put some on Emerson's wheel just like right here, and like you can't really tell, but when you run it, it's like rough, and then all of a sudden it just gets super like waxy. Like it does work. You can actually feel where the wax starts, which is cool. So last thing we have is the tire finish, which I'm actually excited for because it's matte. Usually I don't use like a matte product, use like something glossy, but I think it'd be kind of cool just to get like a raw clean finish instead of having like an obnoxiously shiny finish. So we're gonna put it on. It's kind of getting dark like I said, so maybe what I'll do is I'll show you a clip of what it looks like tomorrow so you guys can like see what it looks like when it's in the daylight and it's done. But I think like I think when it dries, it's gonna be just like a clean look instead of like a shiny look. So this is what I was trying to show you guys last night. Now the lighting's a little bit better. You can see like right here, you can see where the tire shine was applied. So you know it's there, but it's not a shiny glossy tire. It's like just the right amount of just looking new. And I think that's it. And that's like the coolest thing. I actually really love the way this turned out. What you guys saw was a clip from tomorrow, but we can tell like our final thoughts are based off this. But for video's sake, I did a tomorrow one. You did a good job. Final thoughts. For the wash, this was pretty good. It just, you need a little bit more than I expected to need. It smells good, it works good, it's all good.
Wheel wax?
I feel like the need for this is more
better.
in like a quick detail kind of format.
Like going to a car meet or show and you do like a long distance drive and you got brake dust over. Just use this. Why does it look backwards?
My face, my man.
Why does it look backwards?
I feel like it's good because it'll keep brake dust and stuff from accumulating on it as thick.
wash first.
Then wax. Tire shine! Dark, you can't tell. But the wheel just looks clean. It looks like a new wheel. You know, you get a new wheel and you like wash it and there's no, you know, when there's like no crap on it yet and you just like wash your brand new wheel and it just looks black. That's what this did. It makes them like black but without being super shiny, and some people don't like the shiny. I did, but I kind of like this. But I would say I would buy this. It's not sponsored.
Okay, it's not sponsored.
Yes, Fitment sent me this, but Fitment did not pay me to tell you it was good. That's why I'm being honest. Like this, great, works great. You need a little bit more than you should. I would use it, and I would buy the combo kit with these strictly because this is good quick detail, or just wheel wax if that's what you're into. And this is sick.
Your tires look more fresh and like new.
Yes, your tires just look new and they don't look like you just glossed them. They just look nice. Make sure you guys come back for 240 Tuesday of next. This is Thursday for you. Come Tuesday and we'll show you how it held up and how it all works. I think I'm gonna end the video now. This is not a new company, but it's their first washing product. And for their first washing product, I think they killed it. I would recommend to a friend. You wanna end it?
Peace out, guys, and stay committed.